Just some crazy ass rain. Look at this shit, people. It's like all over the place. This is crazy shit. Come on, holy shit, can't go around that corner. Oh no! Oh no! What in the world? Dude, I hope it don't suck me up in there. Dude, I hope I'm good in my little cubby hole. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, dead upon the maker, for let me witness this and let me record this. So please keep me safe. Wow. This is unreal, people. Unreal. I said that wind's everywhere. Then you come out this way now. I can't go around that corner to the left of me. I can go to the right of me a little bit. You can see. Yeah, look up here. Look at these freaking trees. It's so cold. Ow, 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 ow. Dude, I can't. This is crazy shit. Look. It's blowing it everywhere. Look. I'll hold my camera still. Look. It's everywhere. If you have an umbrella, just forget it. Forget about it. Forget about your umbrella. This is crazy. Forget about your umbrella. Dude, I'm not gonna help you. Damn.